The Galaxy S22 series is redefining the epic standard. Use the S22 Ultra's built-in S Pen to clean up photos with Object Eraser or draw directly on your screen. Take gameplay to the next level with the fastest processor in the Galaxy and our sharpest, most vivid display ever. Record fast-paced moments with super steady video. Auto-framing focuses and even adjusts the shot to keep everyone in frame. Our largest pixel sensor detects the surrounding light and adjusts to give you bright, clear pictures even in low light with night mode. Capture it all with battery lasting from dusk to dawn and then some.